It's 2 a.m. Your phone is asleep on the nightstand. And right now, it's teaching an AI. Here's the strange part. The AI learns from your phone, but your data never leaves it. Federated learning. Train the model, keep the data. Normally, to train an AI, you haul everyone's data into one big central server, but your messages, medical scans, bank records, that data can't just leave. It shouldn't. Sometimes it legally can't. So we're stuck. Great AI wants all the data. Privacy says you can't have it. The fix is one flipped sentence. Don't send the data to the model. Send the model to the data. A copy of the shared model is small and safe to ship. Your data isn't, so the model travels instead. It runs in rounds, 4 steps, on repeat. Let's walk one. Step 1. The server sends the current global model down to a batch of devices. Step 2. Each device trains that model on its own private data, right there on the device. Step 3. Each device sends back only the update, the tiny math of what it learned, never the data. Step 4. The server averages all those updates into one better model. That's the Fed average algorithm. Then it repeats. Round after round, the shared model gets smarter. No data ever pooled. The classic real-world example is already in your pocket. Google's Gboard keyboard. As you type, it learns your next word predictions on device, and only the model update ever syncs. Federated learning comes in 2 flavors, split by who the participants are. Cross-device, millions of phones. Huge scale, tiny each, and half of them drop off any second. Cross-silo, a handful of hospitals or banks. Few clients, but each is huge and reliable. But it's hard. Every device sees its own skewed slice. Nobody's data looks like anyone else's. Bandwidth is the bottleneck. Shipping updates over slow, metered networks costs real time and money. And some devices are just slow. Dead battery, no signal. Stragglers hold up the whole round. Here's the catch. Even the update can leak. Sending only the math isn't automatically private. So we mask them. Secure aggregation lets the server see only the total, never any single update. Then we add a little calibrated noise, differential privacy, so no single person can be traced. Attackers push back. Model inversion tries to reconstruct private data from the updates themselves. And poisoning. A bad actor sends corrupted updates to sabotage or backdoor the shared model. So send the model, not the data. Train local, average the updates, mask and add noise, and stay alert to attacks. The whole idea in one line. The data stays home and the intelligence still travels. Thanks for watching. If this helped, follow, like and share. Kader.